Hello everyone, it's me, Bill the Barber, and I'm playing the Skin Stapler. I mean, the art got me in this game, so let's see what happens. This is just a demo. Oof, creepy ass art. But I actually like the graphics in this. Pretty good.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junky sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper of fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Perfect name.
Slater, come in. Are you
It's
talking
Dick.
to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
He's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yeah. I am the night. Swear to me. Literally just Batman, but alright. So we play as a Kappa. Alright. God dang that loading screen. Okay, Carrion City Police Department. CCPD. Okay.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Didn't know I have to click. Okay. Ooh, wow. Not every indie game does this. I could see my well, you know, really animated. Wow, pretty good. Good job, developer. It looks nice. The movement doesn't feel stiff. Whoa, what was that? Talk to chief, press O, interact.
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
Nobody talks like that, though.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
The front desk.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Yeah, Mr. J.
Lucky me.
Ooh. God, I hate edgy
Yeah,
characters,
well,
but
let
alright.
me buzz you in.
Batman's the
See
only
you
edgy
around.
character that I'm okay with. Also that. And Spawn. I guess it's Spawn. Okay, that... Oh. A second thought, that vibrating, I thought... Oh, no, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. So that's the dude we're looking for. Beautiful face. What the hell kind of police apartment is this? Jesus. Are you the chief?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
I'm getting too old for this shit. What's your creepy face?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Well, to be honest, the voice acting in this game way better than all the indie games I played. So, probably the best. Well, probably. Okay. And the new guy. I'm the old vet. Please.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Ah,
If
see?
you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
Okay.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was
Mooner
legendary.
Gooner. Beautiful name.
Yeah. City
Dick.
was heading on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
I think I know what they're trying to pull.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Hey, partner.
What?
I work alone.
You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien.
Yeah, I do it.
You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Is this a freaking horror or?
That's
Comedy.
better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Bye-bye.
Listen, Dick. The
Alright.
mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a decent Cox film.
Okay.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
See? Alright. Okay. Let's go get us a stapler man. You know? Grizzled veteran. Blah, blah, blah. I lost my partner 5 years ago. Something like that. Pretty sure. that's what they're going for. The cliched, old grizzled detective work.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Sure.
Rule
Yep.
2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Stay behind, Dick.
Got it.
Break either rule,
I'll break
I
you.
leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Okay. Poor guy. The Quick Fix by Dick Slater. God dang that name, I swear. The Quick Fix.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, I'm playing with this guy now. I'm in love with my car. Okay, very dark. Okay, this makes sense now. I'm assuming. There we go. Yeah, boss.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Quick Fix. Goddamn that name.
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
His boss is a walrus. For some reason, that's what my head.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
What?
Are you calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting!
Oh god, okay. Oof.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Dick, wieners, what else? Huh? Rada. Okay. Wieners at the back. I'm assuming, right? Going here?
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Fun guy. Alright. Fun guy.
Another night with another creep. I
Mhm.
hate this city.
Fun dude. Fun dude. He's just a man enthusiasm with wieners, probably. He hell? That's not how you process sausage, but alright. God, I'm good. My Dead by Daylight gaming skills. God dang it. Okay. Okay. Rotten wieners, beautiful. I'm assuming I put it there. We go. I need to toast. Okay. I grabbed it by accident. How do I? Oh, okay, it's fine. Hello. How do I? Hey. Let go of the freaking dog. There we go. Oh. Okay. I guess make a hot dog first. Toasted bun. Wow. Okay. Uncooked wiener. How do I cook it then? Can't add relish yet. Okay. Can't work this yet. So where's the fryer? Is it deep fryer? This is going to take a minute. I was expecting deep fried, but alright. Okay. Make customer a hot dog.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Thank you, but alright. Ketchup and mustard. Relish. I relish the thought. There we go. Katana. You go, sir. Yes, that's how you eat hot dogs. Oh, I don't know if I should censor that, but alright, I'll just go. This game, I swear, I'm not even gonna afraid of the. Whatever, let me just. Let me just cook dogs because it's kind of taking a while. I'll probably need to censor that, even though it is a hot dog. I mean, he's just eating a hot dog. There's no implications. Pretty sure I don't have. Do I have kid viewers? But... Hello, ma'am. Oh, right. This isn't a game where I talk. Okay. Relish the thought. Okay. Okay. Kaboom. Thank you. Please don't. Thank you. Come again. Weird ass freaking. Okay. That's how some other places eat hot dogs. God damn it. What next, huh? God, I need to. I don't know. I don't know if I should. Oh, God. I'll just censor it. Whatever. Oh, no, it's the weird guy. It's the stapler man. I'm assuming. Good thing I already have a dog waiting.
Weaver is ready. Weaver.
Yeah, I got you.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Okay.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again.
Why would it be in the toilet?
Real soon.
Ominous. Alright. I guess he didn't want a wiener. Okay. Yes, please. Be normal. But then again, it amuses me. Okay. Well, all these antics of this game, I'm kind of not scared.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver.
Yeah. Oop. Bam, bam. Relish the thought. There we go. There you go, ma'am. What is the point? I don't know if I should. No, I'm pretty sure I don't need to censor that. They're eating hot dogs. They're just eating hot dogs. Is it my fault that they're eating that way? I'm pretty sure no. Right? Hello, sir. Give me a meaty, juicy one. Ah, okay. I see where this game is going for. A lot of those kinds of jokes, huh? It's like I'm back in 2000. It's beautiful.
Weaver is ready. Weaver.
Oh, there we go. Bam, bam. Eat my meat. Amazing technique, sir. Very good, very good. I don't know. Okay, let me just bam. Bam. Everyone has a unique way of eating hot dogs. They're just eating hot dogs. Nothing implications whatsoever. Okay, are we just gonna let the staple man just be there? What the fuck?
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Oh,
Weaver
okay.
is ready.
I thought she went missing there.
okay, Hexy?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Okay.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Oh shit, I just noticed the stapler guy.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Horrible. Horrible.
Have a good shift, Blair.
No. Are we not being the targeted one? How's the staple man going to do his thing? Does he mix faces or he just put staples on faces? I have a dog ready. Oh god, that bird. He's gonna pop up. Oh. Oh, come on. Better keep my eye on. Hey sir, didn't you see a man down there when you passed by those halls, or don't tell anyone I saw me here. Give me that thickest you got. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Here you go, buddy. Nope. You are indeed cool. Good job. God. Okay, where's Staple Man, whatever his name is. Where's Detective Dick? Oh, please don't do it to the old lady. Please. Don't do it to the old lady. Please. Don't be fooled by my age. I'm still handled the longest wiener you got. Okay. I guess that's the only technique they have. Okay. And nobody's paying me, by the way. Nobody has given me money. It's just free meat all around. Quick fix. The quickest fix, goddamn. Okay. Where's Staple Man? Hurry up. Pop up somewhere. Oh!
Shit, dude!
Every time when I say...
What the hell is your problem?
It seems you're all out of staples.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Tough words.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
Huh? You talking about that woman?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is
quite clogged. And that wiener is not cooked. Okay, I guess we wait for him to go. Let me guess. He either... like...
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
It's either the toilet's actually backed up with this game, or I could run. That's a bad sign. Okay. There's a face in it. Frick. The hell?
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
God, this guy's gonna... Another minigame? Please let it be a minigame. Beautiful. What clogged it though? Pretty sure it's not the... number 2 shits, but you know, could be a face. Is it a face? Please let it be a face.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Why would you put your face right in front of the toilet? Blood? Oh, I mean ketchup.
What the? What is that sound?
The hell? That's why you never put your face right in front of the toilet. Now that's a big pile of shit. Gutters and bowling alley. Thought this was quick. This is pretty long. This is where the woman was working, right? Gutters and? Oh yeah, now we're playing as her. I think she's the target because the creepy man was looking at her quite intently.
Break's pretty much over.
Speaking of creepy man,
inside and talk to Lucas.
right there. I guess he found seen her. His target not going up to him. All right. Yo.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
These guys are probably the best voice acting. Goddamn.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
People say... Well, then again, me and my brother say nudes, so... Okay. Where? Head to the office and microwave. Where's the office? This is the bathroom. Staff only. Wow. Is it here? This far away, huh? Alright.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Is this how... I'm sorry, aren't you supposed to just put hot water? Oh, please. I don't know. Where do I go? Talk to Lucas. Okay. Is he gone? I'm assuming he's gone. Oh, no, he's not. I thought he's gonna be got. Yo, Lucas.
Alright, Lucas. You can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Basketballs.
Wow, Lucas. Just
Baseballs. A lot of balls. We're talking about those balls.
Catch you later, Blair.
Okay. See ya, Lucas. You freaking employee of the month. Okay, out of order. What do we do? Is this another... Yep, Dead by Daylight. Oh, I wonder what happens if I actually fail. Then again, I don't want to repeat so. There we go. The smack middle, you're fine. Jesus. What kind of
Holy
bowling alley is
crap.
this?
I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Okay. Do I...
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Don't say it like that, woman. Great. Great. It's Mr. Creepazoid. Alright.
Hello
Stapler
there.
Man.
Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct! I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Or that one clown horror movie.
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
No shoes? Usually you have to get new shoes. Great, he's just gonna look at that.
Creep.
Great, he's just gonna look at us. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, D. W. Much quicker though, not gonna lie. Jesus, he's just gonna stare. Oh, god dang. Is this gonna be like this? Okay. Is he getting close? Oh, Jesus Christ. Great. Great, great, great. Woman! Leave. Great. Okay. Where is he at after this, huh?
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
He's gone. There. Okay, that was creepy. But where's the stinky shoes? Grab the can of deodorizer on the filing cabinet. There he is.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Oh, okay. Still there. Okay.
That should do it.
And he's gone. Where is he? Where is he? Where?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Right. Oh, I thought I heard something. Okay. Not gonna lie though. This is pretty good for an indie game. She's gonna get gotten here.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Okay, when I open it or when I get close to the door, he's gonna pop out. Oh! Knew it, sucker! So smart with horror. Still got me though. A bit. Oh, what am I looking at? What am I? Oh, Jesus.
What happened?
Huh?
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Kind of fever dream game.
Knuckles away. Who are you talking to?
Oh, okay. Are we supposed? I'm assuming he's the type that he needs to change skin, whatever.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
I swear, all the comedy bits kind of made me not scared, so let's go.
What do you mean?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shred it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Kind of reminds me of him now. Remember him? Powerpuff Girls?
Please, don't.
Is he gonna fire a bowling ball in my face? That's gonna ruin the skin, not gonna lie. Yeah, that'll ruin the skin. So what's the point? Bro. Poor lady. So he wants... Okay. I'm not sure if I need to be just a clump of beef flesh. Probably. I'm not really sure if I should could probably censor stuff. I have no clue. Damn. Why is it on the wall? Poor Blair. Could have been the other guy. Okay. So... I thought he was gonna wear it. Not staple into the wall. Right, that was just the demo. Alright, I'll be waiting for that game, because... Jokes aside, it was like jokes. Interesting, very interesting. Although, with me laughing a lot, I kind of got not scared. But, it's just a freaky man wearing other people's skin. But it was interesting. Control was surprisingly good, because other times the controls for indie games are all clunky. But with this one, pretty good, pretty good. So, if you want to try it out, you know, wait for it to release. I'm not sure when, but hopefully anytime soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will make me so happy. Me playing horror games all day. But this time, this is my first comedy bit with, you know, horror comedy. Good, great game. Good game. superb voice acting. Don't know why he stapled them to the walls instead of wearing the girl's skin, but alright, that was fine. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go take a rest now. Please like and subscribe. That'll make me happy. Bye-bye!